Hello again, this is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener. Well, summer is here and it is hot. So here's 30 backyard shade ideas to make being in your backyard comfortable this summer. We're going to cover everything from wood structures to synthetic structures, solid top, open top, fabric, all different kinds of ideas. And there are links in the comments section for lots of these different kits and materials so you can get a little bit more information about what you're going to see in this video. This, by the way, is one I really love. This is called a purple leaf. It's a versatile shade structure. Opens and closes. I'll talk a little bit more later on in the video about this very, very cool structure. So let's get started. So first up, we're going to talk about solid top wood structures that are primarily wood that have a solid top so that you can sit in them when it's raining. So this is one of the nicer kits out there. This is called a Yardesy shade structure kit. This one actually is distributed by Costco as well as Yardesy.com, and these kits run anywhere from $1,500 to $2,500, come in a wide range of sizes. I'll have all kinds of accessories from curtains to drapes to counters, so they're really kind of a neat kit. Take a couple of days for a couple of guys to install, and they're really versatile in the size. Now you can of course do the custom built ones that have the more permanent tops, the roof tops. These are nice when you want to match it to your existing house. You can also install these so that they're connected directly to the house. Gives you a little bit more stability. And again, you can do solid tops, open tops, and those kind of things with those that are connected directly to a structure. Now, a more typical type is this, what we call a 50% shade structure. These are 2x3 wood stringers that allow some sun to come through. Another example of an open top is this one. This is a Toja grid structure. And again, there's links in the comment section. This is a kit. You buy all the fixtures and then just buy the wood at a local really good hardwood store to build this. And it's actually a pretty nice one. So that's called Toja grid. Check out the links when you get to that. But again, if you're going to do a wood top structure, I strongly recommend you use 2x3 stringers that still give you a pretty good amount of shade, but have some durability in the weather. You could also paint them, wrap the posts. This one's kind of a fun one. This one is a bamboo top designed so that the bamboo can be slid in and out every 3 years to replace it, because bamboo is only going to last about 3 years as a top shade structure material. But you still have some fun, and you can also do combinations where you do wood top and a little bit of shade. And by the way, hit that like button if you're enjoying this video. So let's talk about regular shade structures. Simple ones like these shade sails. And all you really need to post, the shade sails are not very expensive. These ones only cost about $90, but the post costs a bit of money. You can also do retractable fabric structures like this one. Really nice if you're going to do any cooking where you want the smoke to dissipate, and then in the daylight you can pull it close so you get a little bit more shade. So that's a retractable one. The shade just goes on wires. An even easier retractable one are, of course, these cantilever umbrellas. Some of them even come with lights. They cost about $600 to $700 for the really good ones from Costco. Again, links in the comment section. But they're really nice because it gives you some versatility with the shade, and then you can take them down in the wintertime. Lots of other kits. Now again, realize with these fabric structures, that fabric is only going to be good for about 3 years if it's in the sun all the time. So now let's transition to synthetic top shade structures. The big advantage of this is, unlike wood, these synthetic structures should last a good 20 years. They're not going to have the maintenance. They're not going to need painting. The other versatile thing that's wonderful about these synthetic ones is that you can run all kinds of electrical conduiting through those beams because the beams are hollow. So if you want a fan out there in the yard, you can run it right through those conduits. You can also run drain through the conduits, so you can reroute the drains across the patio and down these little posts. Same thing goes with these solid top shade structures. This one's by Tritech Patios. Again, link in the comment section. I love this one because you can order it with a certain number of lights and fans, everything pre-wired, ready to go. Again, it took two guys about 2.5 days to build these solid top ones. These are different kits from Tritech. Again, nice because you have solid roof and you have the fan as well. So again, back to this one. This is the purple leaf structure I talked about. What's really wonderful about this structure is that it opens and closes, but it also has a very clever technique where the rain gets routed through those little louvers and on out the pipes. So anyway, that's all we get, all the structures in this one. Thanks again for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to get more of my garden videos. Until next time, this is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, saying thanks for watching.